Hello, my friend, and welcome back to my channel HPB. Today, I'm going to talk about Tesla stocks again. So, we have officially entered to the sell-off season. 90 to 25 September. Historically, stock sell-off in election year have been the maximum. Wall Street don't trust. Elections are on the way, especially if Donald Trump wins elections, it will be same as stock price. If Biden wins, it will be 10 to 20% drop because of corporate taxes increase. Lot of volatility, people don't trust market, and we can see over here in our today's chart of Tesla. It started up, went down, then again up, and then bomb just got dropped by Elon Musk. And what happened? Every action has equal and opposite reaction. Well, in terms of stock, everyone hates short sellers, and Tesla just dropped a bomb. And we ended up current price is $424.80. And let's get started. But before that, what do you think? Will the stock go up or will the stock go down? To know my suggestion and my view, please subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate your subscriptions and especially those who comment down below your suggestion and what analysis you want, and it would be really great if you can subscribe my channel, give me some love. I really appreciate that. So what happened? Elon Musk just killed all the short sellers. Important note about Tesla Battery Day unveiled tomorrow. This affect long-term production, especially semi Cybertruck and Roadster, but what we announced will not reach serious high volume production till 2021 22. What does that mean? It means he is giving you a hint. Don't expect too much on battery day. Few days ago he did the opposite thing. He increased your expectations and now he's decreasing his expectations by telling that okay, cool down, the things that he's going to discuss tomorrow. And he also discussed about the next tweet. He has tweeted about the battery production, that he's saying that he will keep buying and increasing the number of batteries they're asking from Panasonic and from LG, and it will keep increasing. It means to say that they have so much demand that he's forecasting, and why not? Tesla is the only company currently in the market which has bigger demand than availability of vehicles, on contrary to the other vehicles. But now what is going to happen tomorrow is going to be investor sentiment, and it has to decide what will happen to the stock prices and also to the production. Tesla Battery Day is just near the door. It was expected that they will release million mile battery. It can be possible tomorrow it will have some new enhancement, but a tweet by Elon Musk has already clarified that they are doing something of their own, and they are also going to purchase and increase their purchase from Panasonic and LG. So I was also expecting some new model to be introduced by Elon Musk in coming days, but it's all like going to be a long-term plan. It's possible. So let's see what happens tomorrow. But he tweeted earlier that he was like very excited about unveiling on Battery Day. On the other side, it's a very interesting thing that this man is a very different kind of personality. I mean, on one side, he's saying that don't expect too much on today's tweet. Just 2 weeks ago, he tweeted something else. And now, today, he wrote an email to all of his employees and he says that we have a shot at a record quarter for vehicles delivery, but we'll have to really work hard to achieve it. This is the most number of vehicles per day that we have ever delivered. This is very important. Every employee in Tesla holds stocks. So every employee of Tesla is actually owner of Tesla company, and he is asking them to increase deliveries, and in the last 10 days. Now we will get result by 23rd of October, I guess, is the release date of number of vehicles they have delivered, or quarterly result. But at the same time, you have to understand that on one side he's cooling down you to think that battery day is not going to be super exciting about just present time, but at the other hand he is increasing the productivity. And about California market, I really don't understand why specifically he's talking about California market. Is he talking about the ride hailing app which get banned by Uber and Lyft, and there have been so many controversies with the state government, or he's talking about something else. I don't know. But this is something interesting to dig it up. He's actually, I don't know, but he's trying to kill short sellers, and everyone want to see stable stocks, especially if you are so much volatile. So today you have seen that how stock prices has been fluctuating from the minimum to the 4,407 to maximum 452. I mean, it's been quite a range for Tesla stocks, especially in few weeks that we have seen ups and downs too much. It might be a new way of killing the short sellers by even downgrading your expectations or increasing your expectation, and this is how it works. So Elon Musk, his tweets are really pain for many short sellers, and that is why I always tell in my videos that always go for long term call or always go for stocks rather than short term calls. And I know many people have bet on Tesla and tomorrow they are going to lose some money. But at the same time, I want to tell you one more thing is that tomorrow's investors meeting is important. Why is it important? Many decisions can come up, and many institutions will be watching their plan. For even for 2022, there are many ways in which investors will hold their position for several years, and Tesla has already multiplied itself by 4 in this year. You can imagine how many investors will be willing to invest and get their money multiplied by 3 more time, and why not? So we know like 44% of Tesla ownership is among institutions. I may be wrong, it's like in the 40s range, exact number, but it's a good number. Still, it's so volatile. Why? Because there have been so much influence of news, of expectations from Tesla stock that it has been underperforming and overperforming so many times. But in terms of their delivery, in terms of their production and demand, it's killing it. And his email just suggested that at one side he's very excited about his production, very excited about deliveries. On the other side, he's downplaying effect of battery day. So tomorrow will be very interesting to see. Don't get swept away by so many news. It can go up as well. But for me, I would say that be very wise. If you see any range above $450, just be alert, and you can put a stop loss order or something, trailing order of 3 to 5%, up to you. Or if you are already are in huge amount of profit, you should try to minimize your losses as much as you can, because it's going to be very volatile tomorrow. On one side we have investors meeting, on the other side we have battery day. Both are very interesting and anticipated, and in my view, if it drops, it's a good opportunity to buy as well, because earnings will be coming in October end, and if you don't have Tesla stocks, it's a good time to come in if you feel like it's going to be dropped too much, or otherwise you can see for one more week and try to come in, because in after hours I've seen the prices of $411 as well, and it is very disheartening for many investors who have been expecting a lot on this battery day. But on the other side, you have to understand that battery day is not going to happen the day after tomorrow. It's going to happen for a long term, which is great for a company. They have cash in hand, they have a lot of things in hand, and all they want is scale their production. They have so many gigafactories. They have started in Shanghai, in Berlin, in Texas, and it's increasing day by day. On the other side, they're purchasing their buying capacity from different companies like Panasonic, LG, and they are saying that they are also developing so many technologies to make good batteries, but still they are running out of uh, production capacity. Why? Because they are in huge demand, and which is great news for a company. So profitability will increase in the future. Things are going to be get better, and the price target will go high and high. But at the same time, for a short term, for tomorrow battery day, it may or may not go so well as it was anticipated. So brace yourself. If you are in huge if you're going to be on a if you're a short seller, just watch your steps, especially in the morning hours. It will be very volatile. Try to manage your losses, and I personally feel that you should always play long term calls and buying stocks rather than options for Tesla stock, because it's very volatile, and it doesn't capture any kind of analytic information that I can give you inferences from their stock, because completely driven by sentiments and very hard to analyze stocks of Tesla, giving some any modeling on Tesla stock, because in 1 year graph, if you see, if a stock multiply itself by 4, then it's very hard to predict where it's going. And it's a new company, growing company, not as stable as Microsoft or Apple. So play in that way, and good luck to you for tomorrow and for future. Happy investing, and thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe. If you have any if you don't have Webull account, you can go to the link below and sign up. Once you deposit $100, you will get one stock for free, and I will also get. So thank you so much for giving me your time. Have a great investing. Bye bye.